Hello there, pretty faces. Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a easy, natural, time efficient look. You know, like the no makeup look, but the easy one, the time efficient one, the one that we can both roll on. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Jillian. I don't know why I like singing, but my name is Jillian, and on this channel I do everything beauty, lifestyle, and travel when I'm not broke. Anywho, don't forget to click that subscribe button, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this video, okay? Support your girl. But let's get right into this video. So my face has already been prepped, if I can say that. If you have not watched my skincare routine, I'll be sure to link it somewhere here, this side or that side, but I'll be sure to link my easy budget-friendly skincare routine that I use every time before I apply makeup and or on a daily basis, because this is a time efficient, easy, no makeup, natural look. I thought, why not time myself? Like, I just want to time myself and see how fast I'll be able to do this look and how long it will take you to do it too. And I mean, like, you don't have to do all the steps. You can skip some steps to save some time. So we're gonna go to the timer. I don't know how long I'm doing it. I just prefer doing the stopwatch, guys. So, and stopwatch has started. So to start off, I'm gonna use the Pearlessence Aloe and Rosewater face mist, face spray. I'm just gonna spray it all over my face. I just wrapped the face mist all over my face to give it an even coverage, and it just makes my skin feel so light, so radiant, and it's actually giving me that glow that we're gonna need, because we're gonna do a no makeup, natural, time efficient, easy look. Y'all, I'm gonna use my hands a lot, maybe not that much. To prime my face, I'm going in with the Dr. Brandt Illuminizing Primer. This is amazing. Just do so. Smidge. You guys know I love my liquid glow. Like, I cannot do makeup without my liquid glow, so liquid glow is a big must for me. You don't have to do it, you can skip this step if you do not use liquid glow. I'm going in with the Temptu liquid glow, which is amazing. And then for my foundation, I will be using Urban Decay in Naked Skin in the shade 9.75. This is the reason why I use liquid glow. The reason why I use liquid glow is, firstly, it gives me that ultra glow I'm going to need with my makeup. Secondly, you'll see that I'm applying it exactly where I would have been doing my highlighting, and this step makes it so much easier because then I don't have to do highlighting and contouring. You will see what I mean. Stick with me. I do about 2 pumps, then just all over my face, just tap that. Oh gosh, I just okay. Tell me you don't like that. Just tell me you don't like that. I mean, you can already see it is glowing, glowing, glowing. Now I'm going in with my loose powder from Maybelline, just to give me a nice Then I'm just gonna put that all over. Remember, there's no white on the timeline, so. Now we're gonna do my eyebrows, and for my eyebrows I'm gonna go in with the Essence eyebrow liner. I'm gonna get in with the Essence eyebrow designer, and this is gonna be super quick. So with this Essence eyebrow pencil, I'm literally just filling in the blanks because I work up with eyebrows, so I don't need to do the most, and because I still want to keep it as natural as possible. Quick, just filling in the brows like that. Then to set my brows, again I'm using the Essence Make Me Brow Gel. So easy to use. For my eyeshadow, very easy. I'm using my loose powder that I use all over my face, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. See, just all over my lid to eliminate the shine on my lid. Then for my mascara, I'm gonna use the Perversion. I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Perversion mascara, but for my first coat, I'm going in with She Makeup Clear mascara. I love this mascara. If I'm not mistaken, I think I bought it off MissA for $1, cruelty free. Just look at that. Look at that mascara come through. My highlighting, we're keeping it very simple, guys. Wet n Wild highlighting. This is the base. The highlighting powder, it is the best. So I actually did a poll on my Instagram just to find out how many people actually like natural looks, like very easy, efficient, time-saving looks, and there was quite a few of you guys. So because of that, I feel like I'll be doing more easy, quick looks that you can still get ready but still look fab at the same time. There we go. Look at that glow, guys. Easy, minimum glow. And then my setting spray. This is the Dewy Finish setting spray from NYX, and you just spray that all over your face. Then I'm gonna go in with my Milani Lip Treatment. I've used this so much, and it's actually so new. I've used this so much, and it's new actually. Like, it's just amazing. So the writing has come off, but it is Milani Lip Treatment, and then I just use that as a glue to treat my lips throughout the day. And voila, that is the look. Easy, time efficient, guys. Natural look. Don't know makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it, so I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and comment, and till next time.